Okay, so you've probably heard about CRISPR, right? This amazing, almost futuristic gene editing tool. But what if I told you its origin story has nothing to do with a shiny high-tech lab? No, its story starts with, well, it starts with a secret, ancient war. A war that's been raging for literally millions of years. And believe it or not, the outcome of that microscopic war is changing our world right now.
So get this. What if the most advanced gene editing tool we have wasn't even designed for us? I mean, really think about that for a second. This incredible power we now have to rewrite the code of life, it wasn't meant for humans in the first place. The real story behind it, well, it just shows you how unbelievably clever nature can be.
And here it is, the big secret. CRISPR is actually a natural immune system. That's right, it's found in bacteria. This thing we think of as cutting-edge science is something bacteria have been using for eons just to stay alive. We didn't invent it, we just found it.
So to really get CRISPR, we need to zoom way, way in. We're talking about a microscopic battlefield. This is the scene of an epic, non-stop war that's been going on forever, a battle between bacteria and the viruses that hunt them. All right, so let's meet the bad guy in our story, the bacteriophage. Now, this thing is like a tiny biological hypodermic needle. Its entire mission in life is to find an unsuspecting bacterium, latch on, and inject its own DNA right inside. The goal? To hijack the cell and turn it into a full-blown virus-making factory. So you can see their goals are completely opposite, right? The virus is all about hijack, replicate, and destroy. The bacterium, on the other hand, is just trying to survive the attack, protect its DNA, and neutralize this invader. And for a long, long time, it really seemed like the viruses were winning. That is, until bacteria evolved this incredible, game-changing secret weapon. And here it is. This is the hero of our story, the CRISPR-Cas9 system. Now, you can think of it as this super precise, totally programmable immune system that bacteria developed. And the coolest part? It can actually learn. It remembers past attacks, creating a kind of immune memory. Okay, so how does this amazing defense system actually work? It's pretty genius. So first, when a virus invades, the bacterium's defense system kicks in. It detects the foreign DNA and literally snips out a tiny piece of it, kind of like taking a mugshot. Then, it creates something called a guide RNA from that snippet. This guide is basically a molecular wanted poster for that specific virus. This wanted poster then joins up with a powerful partner, an enzyme called Cas9. Think of Cas9 as a pair of molecular scissors, ready to cut. So now you have this search and destroy team, the guide RNA and the Cas9 scissors, patrolling the cell. And if that same virus ever dares to show up again, the guide RNA spots it immediately, finds the exact matching DNA sequence, and bam! The Cas9 scissors slice the virus's DNA, completely disabling it. Threat neutralized. Now, to give you an idea of just how ridiculously precise this is, imagine having a book with 3 billion letters, that's about the size of the human genome, and being able to find and edit a single specific word without making a single other mistake. That's the kind of pinpoint accuracy we're dealing with here. It's just mind-blowing. So when you boil it all down, what is CRISPR? It's a natural, incredibly precise defense system that's been perfected by evolution over millions and millions of years. And this is the key thing to remember. Scientists didn't invent a gene editor out of thin air. Nope. They stumbled upon this powerful natural tool that bacteria were already using, and they figured out, hey, maybe we can use that too. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. This ancient weapon from a microscopic war is now one of humanity's most advanced tools for things like fighting genetic diseases and revolutionizing research. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other incredible secrets are just hiding out there in nature, waiting for us to find them?